Cause the artist here, I'm a general. You understand? This man here do the thing long before we're born. He's a man where me all tour with and them thing there and general, my real virgin. So, this man here, and the man where do songs like say what you say. You understand? And Sammy Black. You understand that anyway? And then there's something there. So, ladies and gentlemen, with the order of distinction, I now present to you in Florida, live and direct, Monty Morris, step up the general. Give it up for Monty Morris, the general. Is the King Monty there?
It's a blessings and greeting to you all. Club no here tonight.
See Monty.
How you feeling out there? Feeling good?
David, let's sing up a
My love keeps it burning. I lift more oil in my love. I lift more oil in my love. Keeps it burning. Keeps it burning to the grave of day. I lift more oil in my love. Keep it burning. I lift more oil in my love. I lift more oil in my love. Keep it burning. Keep it burning to the grave of day. Come on. I lift more oil in my love, keeps it burning. I lift more oil in my love, I pray. I lift more oil in my love, keep it burning. Keep it burning to break of day. Keep it burning to the break of day. I little more oil in my love, keeps it burning. I little more oil in my love, I pray. Yes. Naku-work kanina one. That's a quick shot, boy. From the top. Sammy Black is a condo
One eye big sir. Give me a next big.
Had so many children, she didn't know what to do. Gave them some rod without any bread. Gave them some tea and sent them to bed. Oh, oh,
Monty, you must switch a computer. Pull up. You must switch a rhythm quick. Call the people want you sing this big bad say what you're saying. So the boss, this is all your big a two laptop of your run here session.
Alright, give thanks and praises every time. Say what you say and do what you do. I've got something baby.
Who up that? And the biggest artist tonight is the world around there. And them man that originates that. And sing a few reggae too. Yeah, you remember boss?
Say what you say and do what you do. For I got something baby. Money can't buy pride. Strongest of man
Samson.
is stronger than bees. Samson was the strongest man in the days of Poland. Till a woman take it from me. Solomon was wise. He had 7 wives. Be careful of her lies, she will also paint her eyes. Just to get to him misery. Woman and man was here since the world began. Woman, tempted man. It's so plain to understand. He's the strongest of men. He's stronger than me. Samson was the strongest man in the days of Poland. Till a woman take him from me. Woman and man was here since the world began. Woman, tempted man. It's so plain to understand. He's the strongest of men.
Yes, I am.
Yes, he is.
Like and subscribe. Keep the vibes alive. Like and subscribe.
Woo! I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
Life is full of illusion, lots of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun. But I hope you live to tell your story. Without guts there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to it. You just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo!
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God
enjoy the storm. Come on, girl, let's dance to a love song.
One bright day,
Blessed love,
we gonna meet again.
may Jah be with you, my
One
brother.
bright day,
May you rest in peace
That's it.
forever and forever. It was a dark and murky Wednesday night. My friend was gone down at midnight, right at his front door. Right at his front door. I was far away when I got the news. I jumped in my car to see if it's true. Oh no, please tell me, officer, it's not so.
one bright day, we gonna meet again. One bright day,
Another innocent lifetime.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.